When it comes to child restraints, there are important differences between rear-facing and forward-facing seats. Rear-facing restraints are for babies and toddlers. Young children should ride this way as long as possible, at least until age 2, and until they outgrow the height or weight limit specified for the rear-facing restraint. Height and weight limits can be found in the restraint owner's manual and on the label affixed to the seat. Never put a rear-facing restraint in the front seat. In the event of a crash, the force of an inflating front airbag could be deadly. Once a child has outgrown a rear-facing restraint, they should transition to a forward-facing one. Like rear-facing seats, forward-facing restraints should also be used as long as possible, again, up to the seat's specified height or weight limit, which can be as high as 65 pounds in some models. Following these guidelines will help keep your child safe in a crash.